Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get an affidavit of loss. An affidavit of loss is a vital legal document, a sworn statement declaring that you have lost an important item or document. It's absolutely crucial for replacing things like your driver's license, passport, or even a vehicle registration. This official document helps protect you by preventing any unauthorized use of your lost possessions, ensuring your peace of mind and security. It's the first step in getting your important items replaced. To prepare your affidavit of loss, you need to be very specific. First, clearly state all the details of the lost item, such as its type, any serial numbers, and unique identifying marks. Next, describe the exact circumstances of the loss, including the approximate date, time, and location where it went missing. Finally, include a statement confirming you've made diligent efforts to find the item but have been unsuccessful. Accuracy here is key for a valid document. Once your affidavit is drafted, the next crucial step is notarization. You'll need to locate a public notary to have your affidavit of loss officially sworn and signed. Remember to bring a valid government-issued identification document, like your driver's license or passport, for the notary to verify your identity. After notarization, submit the official document to the relevant government agency or institution responsible for replacing your lost item. This completes the formal process. Finally, here are some important considerations. Always keep multiple copies of your notarized affidavit of loss for your personal records and any future reference you might need. It's essential to be completely truthful and accurate in every statement made within the affidavit to avoid any potential legal complications. Also, be aware that some agencies might require additional supporting documents or specific forms to accompany your affidavit for a complete application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.